What's up, guys? We finally made it to closing day and you're one step closer to buying your home. Let's talk about some things that need to happen in order for us to close. First up, mutual acceptance. Once you and the seller have agreed to terms, it's time to sign that purchase agreement. It's like sealing the deal with a handshake. Next, we set up an escrow account. Your earnest money goes in there to show you're serious about the purchase. It's like a secure holding place for all the funds. Don't skip the inspection and appraisal. This ensures your home is valued right and in good shape. It's like giving your future home a thorough checkup. The title search is like a detective mission. We want to make sure there are no surprises in the property's ownership history. Don't forget title insurance. It's your protection against unforeseen issues. Before the big day, do a walkthrough inspection. Ensure everything's as it should be. This is your last chance to make sure everything meets your expectations. Now we're at closing day. Gather all the parties involved to sign those papers, pay your down payment, and officially get the keys to your new home. Time to put pen to paper. Sign that deed, mortgage note, and all the remaining documents to make that home officially yours. So you get the funds transferred and the documents recorded. It's official, all the legalities are sorted, and you're officially a homeowner. All right. And that's it. You just bought a home. I hope this helped you out on your home buying journey. If you have any questions, comment below and subscribe for more home buying insights. Mahalo.